Hey guys, what is up? This is Eris in October, and yes, I look interesting right now. But if you guys want to know how I got to here on this hashtag boss level, please stay tuned for more. Now, don't worry, I messed with y'all. I'm really humble. Trust me, I am. But anyways, I am feeling myself today. You know, I just have one of those days when you're just feeling yourself. That's how I'm feeling right now. Got myself all made up. I'm a ninja. I'm a superhero, and I'm a kitsune. Sweetheart, I'm a nine-tailed fox. Fire. Yes, I'm special. You guys should know that by now. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I got to here, start from the bottom. Now we're here. Hello. Please keep watching. Lord have mercy, I need help.
Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did. I did a bad.
Okay, y'all. Yes, I know I'm a mess. But I couldn't help it. You know, I was thinking, Todoroki? Let me go ahead and get a kitsune up in here. Let me go ahead and get a, like, you know, nine-tailed fox. Let me go ahead and get a Naruto up in here. So not only am I a superhero, y'all, I'm also a ninja. And I'm also a fox. And to top it all off, I'm Batman. Nah. But yeah. Do I look cute now, honey? Got my little gauges up in here too. Yes, I had to put them up in there. Oh yes, and I'm already wearing the binder right there. I kind of wish that it was like, you know, a little bit pushed back. I kind of wish that the straps were a little bit thinner so that way you couldn't see it with, you know, regular things and they're like this, but it's okay. It's okay. So that's how the makeup tutorial is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to ding my dog, aka putting on the bell notifications, that way you guys can see whenever I post new content. Just want to say thank you guys for all your love and support, my little Todoroki coons. I will more than likely put a TikTok video at the end of this because that's just how I am. And plus, come on, like, I didn't get all dressed up for nothing, you know what I mean? Like, this isn't the only thing I'm gonna do over here, get dressed up for y'all, make myself look cute. No, sweetheart. I'm also gonna come over here and make myself a TikTok video to go along with the way I look. Oh, by the way, I got this hat Maycon of last year, so I cannot remember the shop that I got it from. If you guys want a kitsune nine-tailed fox kind of hat, then you could probably get it off of Amazon, Etsy, eBay. Just go on there, put in kitsune, K-I-T-S-U-N-E, or nine-tailed fox hat, and look it up that way, and you guys should be able to find something similar to this right here. If not, this itself. I think I paid like less than $30 for this hat. Probably 25. I can't fully remember. Like I said, it was a whole year ago. But hey, I decided to go ahead and put it in this video. I was like, you know what? I haven't really had a chance to show off this hat yet. It's not like how I wanted to, but here I am showing off this cute hat along with my Naruto headband. That's right, Todoroki is a part of the ninja squad. Hey. I need to stop. But I can't, because look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are the little this. How was that dance? I can't remember how it went on TikTok, but you know, something like this. Dun, 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 dun. I have too much fun by myself. I need to stop. Okay. Anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for watching and supporting me. Do not forget to ding my dog, please. If you're new, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, as well as ding my dog if you get my drift. Also, welcome to the Mystical Magical Squad. Magical Creature Squad. Thank you guys. Yeah, so doesn't matter if you are an elf, if you are a nymph, if you are a unicorn, if you are a little fox / furry, if you are whatever you are welcome, my child. Follow us to the dark side. Anyways, I'm doing the most. Thank you guys for watching. Next video will, if I haven't posted already, will more than likely be the MegaCon video. So you guys can see how, granted I didn't have this little hat and little Naruto headband on at the time, but I did have this shirt on and this wig, and I actually had my contacts in at the time, and also the burn mark. That's, you know, his, like, that's part of what makes him him, you know. He's my bae. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.
I can explain. It's a funny story.